Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to mill this pine log, and I'm curious as to what or how much lumber I can get from this one log. I think it's about 14 or 16 inches in diameter at the small end. I didn't measure it, wished I had. But if you'll hang with me to the end, I'll show you. I'm going to try to get every square inch of usable material out of this log. So let's watch. Occasionally through the video I may stop and explain something that I'm doing. But more or less, this is a video of watching a bandsaw, the Woodland Mills HM 130 Max, saw up a log. Now here, obviously, I'm just making my cants. This log is 12 foot 6 inches long. You wouldn't think about it, a 2-inch board being very heavy, but I'm going to tell you, you take a 2-inch piece of pine that's 12 foot 6 inches long, that sucker's got some weight to it. So with what I have on the mill now, I'm going to start cutting. Actually, I'm going to cut these 1.5 inches by 6 inches. They're 6 inches wide, and I'm going to cut them 1.5 inches thick. I have a specific purpose for why I'm cutting these at 1.5 inches. You'll notice where the pith is on this log. I'm going to try to tiptoe around that, and it will be included into one board. Hopefully that's going to minimize any of the troubles that we sometimes have with the pith. Bowing, curling, cupping, whatever. I think that's the last cut before I flip this log. Well, one more. So the pith's in this board here. But I think if I slow dry it right, have it stickered right, that it'll be a usable board, especially for what I'm doing with it, building in a barn. I think I adjusted the stops to 3 inches high there. And when your lasers are not working, that's always a good thing to remember. I'll be discussing my lasers in a separate episode. think I told you wrong there. I think that's going to be 3.5 inches by 6. I might need to go back and change that. Yeah. As the old farmer would say, we're getting on the short roads now. But also this is where the work's involved, carrying these near about 2x12s. 12 foot 6 inches long, full of sap. It was a little cool this morning, but it's starting to warm up nicely. So you can see they're going to make 4 2x4s out of this full 2 inch by 4 inch. So roughly taking off 2 inches at the top to get a flat side, and then I'll be taking 2 inches off the bottom, and then that will leave me 8 inches. I'll split that in half, get 4 2x4s. You can tell by the sound of that when it drops, those boards have some weight to them. But you know what? Stickered in a nice dry place. Good air circulation. It don't take them too long to get some of that weight out of them. So there's my 4 2x4s. Should have zoomed in on the blade. Now this pine got a lot of pitch in it, sap, but that blade is just as slick. I use a special solution. Let me encourage you to watch Sawing with Sandy when he's able to get back up going up in Canada. I think he's going to have a video on the solution that I've been using. Like I said, I'm going to try to utilize every usable square inch of this log. So there's 2 full 1 inch by 4 inch 1x4s. And here's the finished product.